Every day, thousands of recyclers transform plastic waste into valuable raw material. But the moment that waste enters the plant, it all merges into one pile, and you lose track of who delivered what. Once material enters the recycling line, the answers disappear. Even with traditional ERP and in-house IT systems, you only know what came in and what went out, never what happened in between. The answers scatter across spreadsheets, plant registers, and WhatsApp. Where did it come from? How was it processed? What was the real recovery and yield? Instead of improving recovery, plant teams spend their time balancing operations with paperwork and compliance. As compliance requirements continue to grow, brands, regulators, and certification bodies expect complete proof and traceability at every step. Meet Green Aadhaar, the operational intelligence layer for modern recycling. Every lot begins with verified origin. From supplier dispatch to plant arrival, every movement is captured before processing even begins. Each kilogram is tracked through your entire recycling line. Every stage records what came in, what came out, and what was lost. Every lot is automatically reconciled through mass balance, giving you the true recovery and yield of every batch. From supplier origin to finished product, the chain of custody never breaks. Every kilogram has a story. Every claim has proof. Proof is not just for compliance. It helps you make better decisions every day. Identify supplier quality issues, pinpoint process losses, reduce leakage, and recover hidden margin before it disappears. When an audit begins, the work is already done. Generate complete chain of custody records in seconds, ready for brands, regulators, and certification bodies. Already trusted by recyclers across India, and growing. Turning recyclers into the most trusted supply chain in the circular economy. Green Aadhaar, the operational intelligence layer for modern recycling.